পিন করে দাও, হ্যাঁ ওই ফোনটা থেকে পিন করে। Hello, firstly I want to apologize for being late. I was just, it got delayed due to my shoots for the YouTube. Apologies once again. I'm Lalia and I'll be showing Sanskriti Kolkata's festive collection. Thank you for those who've joined. And good evening. This is at 6:30 almost in Kolkata here for those who are watching from different parts of the world. Today is our mixed collection once again. And I'll be showing you can check out our reels in WhatsApp, in Facebook, in Instagram for new collections. Regularly we are uploading videos and more options for you to shop from. Just information, Sundays we are open now till the Durga Puja every day, even on the 15th of August. We are open every day 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. So every day we are open now 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. at night, including Sundays and 15th of August. Those who are in Kolkata, do visit our branches. We have two branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, two branches. Tailoring unit is available in both the branches, but the menswear section and the jewelry section is only in the Cornfield Road branch. If you want, you can opt for video calls also. Good evening, Santosh ji. Shongo Mitra, thank you for joining. I'll not waste time. I'll just start quickly with the saris. So the first one is a Meena woven semi-tussar. Meena woven semi-tussar. Very pretty sari. So during the Durga Puja, you need to gift a lot of saris to so many people. So it has a nice weaving in this, 2990 only. And see the weaving, it's very fine weaving. These are Banaras woven. I just came back from Banaras yesterday. The flight was delayed 1 hour and I reached home at 12 o'clock midnight. So this is a very pretty semi-tussar. Comes with this woven blouse piece, number 1, 2990, with a woven blouse piece, number 1, 2990. The whole sari is a lightweight sari with all over Meena border and Meena booty. So once again closely I'll show the close-up of the buta and also the close-up of the border. 2990. The next one is a very soft modal silk Kani weave. The recent reel that we shot got viral and loads of enquiry. It's a very pretty sari and it's fully woven multicolor, but these are not the handloom kanis that I show of 19,000. These are 7990, but this is also woven. See the reverse side. It has zari as well as resham weaving. Very pretty weave. 7990, number 2. The color is off-white color. It is an off-white color and comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece is brocade woven to give it a very rich look. So I'll just show once again the upper border and the lower border. This is the lower border, broader than the upper border. 7,990 rupees comes with this archhole weave. See, the archhole has a lot of weaving. Here is the close-up for you. These are Kashmiri weaves. ₹7,990. Number 2. For booking, take the screenshot and WhatsApp only, no phone calls. 7603042696. You can pick up from the store, from the Jamir Lane branch, or you can opt for cash on delivery in Kolkata or via courier if you are outside Kolkata. Number 3, same concept, same design in a different color, which is black. 7990. Number 3. It has a nice Konya Buta weaving also. Pallu, blouse piece. The sarees are very soft, flowy fabric. See, you can understand it's very flowy, just like crepe. 7990. Third option in a different weave is this grey color. This is also very pretty color. Grey color with this blouse piece. $7,990. I will show the weave because this is different from the other two. This is the grey color combination, super soft sari. Very comfortable. This is the pallu part. Here is the corner buta and this is the sari with the tassels. 7990. Number 4. WhatsApp number is pinned. 7603042696 is the WhatsApp number. Sundays open. Cash on delivery in Kolkata only. And if you want to visit our store, do visit 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. On high demand, I'm showing you these kanis. These are so artistic. Look at this border. New border, new weave. These are not print, these are woven and multiple colors used in the weave. This is so gorgeous. Very unusual piece. 7990. Color is off-white color. 7,990 rupees. And this is the pallu. The pallu is so big pallu, double pallu. This is the border, lower border. And this is the upper blouse piece. Really beautiful saree. ₹7,990. Oh, so many lovely colors. This is black also I have. This black is again another different design. All the weaves are different. The colors are also different. Combinations. This is 7990. Number 6. 7,990 rupees. Number 6. Pallu. Reverse, you can see this is totally woven and here is the blouse piece. These sarees start from 7,500 depending on the weave. For booking, just take the screenshot. First come, first serve basis. After you make the payment, your booking will be confirmed and the bill will be sent inside the parcel. Pallu 7990 black. I have a very pretty sari which is in vegetable print, pure tussar. These are bark prints in pure tussar with Lambani handwork in the pallu and batik done. Batik and Lambani. The border has a very sleek border, handwork border, and this is the handwork in the achol. Lambani fulkari border pallu. Color is a rustish color with the blouse piece. Very smart, different sari. Blouse piece. This is the pallu. Number 7. Pure tussar. Very uncommon sari. Batik pallu and it's a mixed threads used of fulkari and lambani. This is very pretty at a price tag. 11,900. 11,500. Number 7. Number 7, 11,500 tussar embroidery with bark print. Linen with woven border. Very traditional for the Durga Puja. Linen with woven border, zari woven pallu. Price 3650 with blouse piece. 3650 with blouse piece. Linen Banarasi, milk white with rich red woven satin border with buttas and zari woven pallu. 3650 number 8. 3650 number 8. A very pretty metallic tissue organza. A metallic tissue organza with sequin border. This is the reverse side finishing of our sari. Shongomitra ma'am, my sari price, I'll come to that. I'll show colors in that also. Very pretty, and we have a rich blouse with this. It's a party wear sari. Comes with this black silk embroidered blouse piece. Metallic tissue silk organza with rich embroidered Zardozi blouse piece in black. So this is the combination. The black blouse with work, and this is the sari. This is the combination. Very pretty, smart piece. Number 9, 10,500. Number 9, 10,500. This is the sari. Close up of the work. And this is Nobomita Shaha. Nice. Thank you for the review. Just received the Chanderi sari. It's beautiful. So glad that you like the sari, because you are seeing it on the video and we wait for your feedback, which is very important to us. How you like the sari, which is very important. It's not about the selling, it's about your satisfaction also. Now we have this Chantilly gold lace with rhinestone border. The all over sari will be in Chantilly lace. No sequins. It's beautiful. It's a lovely shade of gold. Look at the weave. It's lace, and this is a rhinestone border that also in gold. This is the reverse collection. Mona Lisa Sinha says nice collection. Shupta Ghosh, yes, the sari that I'm wearing, available in multiple colors. It's a Chantilly lace with half sari and the rest half will be in pure satin rhinestone. This is the rest half, so half and half. Gorgeous gold sari. With the blouse piece will be running with full embroidery. Now in this I have to show you closely. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and this is the blouse piece will have full work, the sleeves, the back, and this is the pleat and pallu part. See, this is the yoke part, and this is the sleeve pleats part. Pleat, satin pleat, half and half. Price 18,900, pure chantilly gold lace. 18,900. 18,900. Now a bit more budget friendly cut work sari in semi tussar. Cut work in semi tussar. This brushing is done in the semi tussar. This is the cut work. Number 11, 4,500, mehendi green color with blouse piece. Mehendi green color, both side cut work including the pallu. Number 11, this is the cut work pallu. 4500, number 11, color mehendi green. Now I have a woven chanderi for you with Madhubani printing in the pallu and bandhej done in the body. Color mustard. Okay, Shupta, I'll show you colors of the sari that I'm wearing. Nishchoy dekhabo. Eta hocche blouse piece. The Madhubani printing blouse piece, lightweight sari. If you want to give somebody who can't wear heavy saris but you need a bit unique look. This is a very pretty, see the blouse piece. These are pure chanderi with woven border, printed Madhubani blouse. This is the lower border. And this is the achol, pallu part. The pallu part will also be in Madhubani. 4,500, number 12. Upper part will not have Madhubani, since the blouse will be in Madhubani. 4,500, mustard color. 4,500, chanderi. I have a wine color in this also. So 2 color options in this. Bandhej with Madhubani fusion, with blouse piece in Madhubani and the pallu. Very pretty. Budget friendly tissue অবশ্যই হবে, budget friendly tissue কাটওয়ার্ক আমাদের কাছে কিরকম মানে আপনি যদি রেঞ্জটা বলেন একটু হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করুন, আমরা ভিডিও কল বা ছবিও পাঠাতে পারি। বাজেট ফ্রেন্ডলি কাটওয়ার্ক টিস্যুস আছে আমাদের কাছে। 7,000 থেকে আমাদের একটু ভালো কোয়ালিটি টিস্যুগুলো পাবেন উইথ কাটওয়ার্ক। This is the 13 sari, 4,500 in wine color. 4,500. This is the bandhej and this is the Madhubani. Very soft ajrak printed saris in soft silk. Very, very soft, beautiful piece. In fact, today's printed video episode, we showed many options in this. Episode number in YouTube, 625th video. These are all our new collection. All these are soft silk printed sarees. Price is 3300. 3300. আজরাক প্রিন্টিং ভীষণ সুন্দর, পরে প্রচন্ড আরাম পাবেন, একদম নরম। দেখুন কিরকম নরম শাড়িগুলো, এগুলো যে কি আরাম পরে আর এত কমফোর্টেবল। এটা একটা মোডাল সিল্কের মতো লুকটা আছে বা ফিলটা আছে, আর এটার মধ্যে একটা সরু জারি বর্ডারও পাবেন। প্রিন্টগুলো ভীষণ মানে সুন্দর, কালার কম্বিনেশনগুলো ম্যাজেন্টার সাথে নেভি, আর এটার সাথে আঁচলটা এটা পাবেন 3300 প্রাইস। নাম্বার 14, নাম্বার 14 3300। অনেক প্রিন্টস পাবেন। ওই রকম প্রিন্টস যদি দেখতে হয় তাহলে আপনি আজকের এপিসোডটা দেখুন। এপিসোড নাম্বার হচ্ছে 625th এপিসোড। জর্জেট চিকন, যেটা আমি পরে আছি, লাইক দ্য ওয়ান দ্যাট আই এম ওয়েরিং। দিজ আর ডিফারেন্ট ডিজাইনস, colors. I'm showing you options for the saree that I'm wearing. Georgette chicken work saree with sequins highlight to give it a nice look. Totally very pretty, and this is the saree all over work and comes with the blouse piece. The saree comes with this matching blouse piece in a peach shade with buta. Thank you so much Shoma ma'am. Yes, শাড়িটা খুব সুন্দর, কালারটাও সুন্দর। আমি আরো কালার অপশনস দেখাচ্ছি এবং এর সাথে আমি একটু রিভার্স সাইডটাও দেখাবো। দিস ইজ আর ফিনিশিং satin fall already attached. For the finishing price 8900, number 15. 8900, number 15. This is a peach color. Very pretty. Anju, thank you for watching and joining our live. Very pretty peach color, and this is the saree. 8900, Georgette chicken work. These are machine embroidery. Handwork will not come in this range, but it's handwork highlighted. The sequence is handwork highlighted. The saree is machine embroidery, but very good work. You will not understand which is machine, which is hand. It's so well embroidered. Lovely coral red with the blouse piece. Lovely coral red. Price 10,500. 10,500. इसका वर्क थोड़ा सा माहिन है और क्लोज अप भी है इसका वर्क. Little difference, around 1000 rupees difference from the previous one. With the blouse piece. Again the reverse side. All the prices are mentioned, all barcoded price. Price is fixed. Cash on delivery in Kolkata only. This is the pallu. Very beautiful saree. 10,500. The one that I'm wearing, uska color option, I'll show one color option for the saree that I'm wearing, is this lovely shade of green, pista tone, paisley chicken work. Price 8,500, number 16. 8,500. I'm close up showing you the work. The reverse side, this is the finishing. See, the thread is so well cut, well finished. This is the reverse. This is the fall. This is the front side. Complete beautiful look with the blouse piece. Since the saree is with all over work, the blouses are with buta. For booking, WhatsApp only. 7603042696 is the WhatsApp number. First come, first serve basis. After payment, we'll confirm your booking. For more options, visit our branches. We are open on Sundays also. So this Sunday till the Durga Puja, we'll be open every day. And the one that I'm wearing, the lemon color. $8,500 with the blouse piece. 8500. Shukta ma'am, this is the lemon color that I'm wearing. 8,500. Yes, off white ও আছে, আরো কালার अवेलेबल আছে। And the set that I'm wearing, it's actually a choker in multicolored stone, beautiful earthy stones. You can wear it with western wear, you can wear it with your saris, your suits. Very sling and very pretty, and it comes with this studs. These studs come beautiful, and it comes with this ring also, this emerald ring, emerald studs, and the set ta koto 1990 is the set. 1990 is the set. We have more options in chicken work, very good options with embroidered borders also. An episode is also coming soon, so keep a watch. And Sonia ma'am, if you want to see more sarees in chicken, just WhatsApp 760. We'll get back to you with the colors. So because I have to finish the live now, I'm already late today starting the live. একটু দেরি হয়ে গেলে কি হয় কি ওই স্লো হয়ে যায় নেটটা। So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and Sonia ma'am, please WhatsApp, we'll show you the colors. Thank you so much.